Imagine you're lying on a beach, sunglasses on, sipping lemonade, and then poof, the sun just vanishes. No explosion, no warning. 1 second it's there, the next, cosmic ghosting. What happens next? Would Earth freeze instantly? Would we all die before finishing this video? Let's find out. The sun isn't just a giant fireball making your summers miserable. It's the reason life exists at all. It gives us light, warmth, weather, plant growth, ocean currents, vitamin D, even your cat's favorite sunspot nap. So if it suddenly disappeared, not exploded, not faded, just gone, the universe would become a lot less friendly. Step 1. Light and darkness. First things first, darkness. But not immediately, because light takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to Earth. So for a little over 8 minutes, everything would seem normal. Birds would still sing. Traffic lights would still annoy you. Then, click, eternal night. The sky would go black. Stars would pop out in the middle of the day. The moon? Gone too. Without sunlight, it has nothing to reflect. Step 2. Gravity vanishes too. But here's the real plot twist. Gravity disappears with the sun. The sun's mass keeps Earth, and the entire solar system, orbiting nicely. Without it, Earth would stop orbiting and shoot off in a straight line into space. Like a seatbelt-free passenger when the driver slams the brakes. We'd fly through the cosmos at about 67,000 miles per hour. No one would feel it, but over months and years, we'd drift far, far away from where we used to be. Step 3. Temperature crash. Now let's talk about the temperature. And this is where things get chilly. For the first few days, you might think, a bit cold. But within a week, the average global temperature would drop below freezing. Within a year, Earth's surface temperature would plummet to around minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 73 degrees Celsius. Oceans would freeze from the top down, leaving liquid water deep below the ice for centuries. Only geothermal vents at the ocean floor would stay warm, and maybe, just maybe, some microbes would survive there. Step 4. Collapse of the biosphere. Plants? Gone within days without sunlight. Photosynthesis stops, crops die, and the food chain collapses like a house of cards. Humans would last a few weeks on stored food and artificial light. Maybe a few underground bunkers and research bases could cling to life. But civilization as we know it? Toast. Or, well, frozen toast. Climax. Humanity's only hope. But hold up. There is a tiny, slim, science fiction-style chance. We could build vast underground cities powered by nuclear reactors or geothermal energy. Humans might huddle near volcanic hotspots or deep-sea vents, basically turning Earth into one giant sci-fi survival bunker. Or, more realistically, we'd launch ourselves into space, searching for a new star to call home. But that's a centuries-long project, and we'd have less than a century before Earth became completely uninhabitable. Wrap up the big picture. So what happens if the sun disappears forever? 8 minutes of denial, weeks of freezing, years of drifting, and eventually, a lonely, ice-covered rock flying through endless darkness. It's a bleak thought, but also a powerful reminder. That glowing ball of plasma 93 million miles away isn't just a cosmic background prop. It's the beating heart of everything we know. Every sunrise you see is basically the universe's way of saying, "You're welcome." Call to action. So next time you complain about a hot day, remember, the alternative is a frozen, starless wasteland. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cosmic doom, hit that like button, subscribe for more what-if scenarios, and tell us in the comments. What should disappear next? The moon? Gravity? Or maybe the whole Milky Way? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to appreciate the sunshine while it's still here.